Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Welcome once again to another session of GK. Today we are going to start with lesson number 18, famous shopping malls in India. Yes, by this word shopping, we all get excited and happy too. Why? Because shopping means lot of fun, getting new things. It makes happy to all the age groups, like even the smallest member of the family, the youngest member of the family, or the eldest of the family. Everyone get excited by this word shopping. Today I am going to show you a very nice video of famous shopping malls in India. Let's have a look to it.
I'm sure you've heard this too. Every single city that you travel to seems to have the largest mall in India. In Chennai, it is the Phoenix Mall. In Bangalore, it is the Mantri Square Mall. But which actually is the largest mall in India? We have the answer for you. Let's start our countdown to the top 10 largest malls in India. Number 10. Fun Republic Mall, Lucknow. 0.97 million square feet. The Fun Republic Mall is a shopping mall located in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. The built-up area is more than 970,000 square feet. It was built by the Z Group in the mid-2000s at a cost of 800 million rupees. It comprises retail outlets, cinema, food court, gaming zones, and a 60-room boutique hotel. It has parking for 550 cars. Number 9. Elante Mall, Chandigarh, 1.15 million square feet. Elante Mall is a shopping mall in the city of Chandigarh in India. With a gross leasable area of 11,50,000 square feet, it is the second largest shopping mall in northern India and the 11th largest in India. Elante is spread over an area of 20 acres. It is part of a mixed-use real estate development project by Larsen & Toubro called Elante. Number 8. Phoenix Market City, Chennai, 1.2 million square feet. Yes, Phoenix Market City, Chennai is not the largest mall in India. It is the 8th largest shopping mall that has been developed by Phoenix Mills Limited located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It was opened in January 2013 and is the largest mall in the city. It has a total retail space of 1.2 million square feet and they are planning to expand that as well. This can easily push it further up in the list soon. Number 7. Select City Walk, Saket, New Delhi, 1.3 million square feet. The 13 lakh square feet retail development is spread over 6 acres and includes a 4-kilometer long multiplex, serviced apartments, offices, and public spaces. The mall was developed by Select Infrastructure, a joint venture between the Select Group and the Aron Group. It opened to the public in October 2007. Number 6. Phoenix Market City, Whitefield, Bangalore, 1.4 million square feet. Phoenix Market City is a shopping mall developed by the Phoenix Mills Company Limited. It is the largest mall in Bangalore by area, occupying 16 lakh square feet with 14 lakh square feet of retail space on 4 levels, which houses over 270 stores, a 9-screen PVR cinemas multiplex, and a food court. Number 5. Ambience Mall, Gurgaon, 1.9 million square feet. This shopping mall in Gurgaon, Haryana contains an area of 19,97,378 square feet. Most floors have a shopping area of 860 meters. Ambience Mall has more than 230 stores and food outlets. Its parking space can accommodate about 4,000 vehicles. The mall was opened for public in 2007. It has won the Best Shopping Center of the Year and Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year awards. Number 4. DLF Mall of India, Noida, 2 million square feet. The mall is divided in 5 zones spread over 7 floors. It has 330 brands that include 100 fashion brands along with 75 food and beverages options with many entertainment choices. Number 3. Phoenix Market City, Mumbai, 2.1 million square feet. Phoenix Market City is one of the largest shopping malls in India, situated in Kurla, Mumbai. Developed by the Phoenix Mills Company Limited, spread across 4.1 million square feet. The mall includes 2.1 million square feet of retail space, which is the largest mall in India in terms of area. It houses 600 stores with domestic and foreign brands. PVR Cinemas, which has 14 movie screens and 70 restaurants. Number 2, World Trade Park, Jaipur. The World Trade Park, Jaipur is the second largest shopping mall in India by size. 24 lakh square feet gross leasable area. With more than 500 shops in this gigantic construction, it can accommodate 11,000 cars in its parking area. Number 1. Lulu International Shopping Mall, 2.5 million square feet. This Kochi mall is easily one of the biggest malls in India with over 2.5 million square feet of leasable area. Lulu International Shopping Mall is the most visited places in Kerala and is the largest shopping mall in terms of total area and also has the largest hypermarket in India. Did you know about this? Hope you found this video interesting.
Now, let us begin with our book exercise. The mall actually comes from the word demall, the most sought after outing of young and old. Here you find large number of retail shops, restaurant and cinema halls in one large building. Recognize and name of the following famous malls in India. It is the largest shopping mall in India. It is located in Kochi, Kerala. Lulu International Shopping Mall. Next is, it is a shopping mall located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It includes a display system where 24 projectors create a single image on its ceiling. It is World Trade Park. Beautiful. It is located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The mall is divided in 5 zones and spread out in 7 floors. It is DLF Mall of India. It is a shopping mall located in Bangalore, Karnataka. It is the largest mall in Bangalore. Phoenix Market City. It is a shopping mall located in Chandigarh. This mall produces its own electricity. It is Lanet Mall. It is located in Bhubaneswar and it is largest shopping mall in Odisha. It is Esplanade 1. I hope you all have enjoyed the journey of the famous malls in India, shopping malls. Yes? Okay, children. Thank you so much. Bye and have a nice day. God bless you all.